Nation, I'm back. A whole new stash update and shit. Yep, that's what I got. Y'all gotta excuse my room and stuff. Think of bottle rockets, another squad leader, whack job. The Midsummer Dream by AFW. I always wanted to try that. 2 bricks of Black Cat, firecrackers. A big palm, 16 shots. Some goodies. The rest of my fellow pyros know what this is. Hoot cake, Hitman Shell, Super Magnum, with tail, the Wolfpack High Performance, 8-shot Roman candle. Not gonna tell you where I got that from. 2 100-shot missiles, some Texas Pop Rockets, maximum load, the M70 firecrackers. I got some shells. Give y'all hints, just it got a woman on there, that's it. Some rockets, y'all know what this is. Got the brown on top. Yeah, that's it right now, but I'm coming back next week. So I'm gonna get some more stuff. So yeah, peace out.